what's up folks? How are... Vänta, jag ska... Today I'm here with Emil, my brother, my homie, and Suki. Yes, bro. Today we're going to a street race in Malmö. Maybe we're gonna race, and yeah, we're gonna fuck around and find out, film some sick videos. My brother Suki, yeah. On his S1K Nardo Grey. Yes, bro. S1Ks, baby. Yeah, boy. So yeah, we're going to a street race in Malmö right now. We'll see if we're going to race some cars, but anyway, we're going there to show off our bikes and maybe meet some fans. And yeah, Malmö is a big city, maybe we'll find some sick film spots and stuff like that, boy. So yeah, we're about to have really fun today, right, Emil? Yeah. Det där var sjukt. Eller hur? Jag svängde och allt. Stand-ups. Fuck. Okay guys, we're just stopped at the stunt spot here in Helsingborg. Now we're heading to City Gross to buy some food and some drinks. I think we'll come back in a moment to the stunt spot again and chill there for a bit, and then we're continuing to Malmö, baby. Drag race, baby! Almost one against the S1 case. Now we're continuing to Malmö. Swemil is aura farming on a different level. Swemil is aura farming like crazy. My guy, my homie. Shout out to Suki. Yeah. And Theo Toka. A professional stunt guy. Stunter. Not gonna lie, the Texas with this goes hard. King Kong. front of this bike shop, Greg Moto, little meetup, and now is everyone moving towards the harbor. We're going to stop there on a gas station, and there's gonna be more riders joining us. Hey, snut, 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 snut. Ja, den körde åt andra hållet. Right ahead at the big building there's our stunt spot. Not ours, but yeah, you know what I mean. There where we're going. So we're standing here. There was a group of riders riding in that direction, and they're clapping on their head like there is a cop in front of us or at the gas station. So now we don't know whether we go to the gas station or not. Är det snut eller vadå? Ska vi? Vi kollar läget. Det är en piketbuss, så det är lugnt, den kickade. Macka, what the fuck? Macka with the H2 baby. Oh, welcome home, my boy. Thank you.
How did the US of America treat you?
It was very good. Vänta, filmar jag?
Va? Filmar du?
Blinkade.
Blinkar du?
Ja, då filmar jag. We're here with my friend Kawasaki with his H2. He surprised us a bit by coming here. He told us that he's not coming here, and he surprised us, as I said, and came here. Yeah, bye. The cops are still there, plotting. Nice Aprilia RS 660. Yeah. It is huge. Let the people talk for themselves. Just look how many we are. It's kind of chaos. fuck is Swemil, bro? He's a lone wolf. Over there in the Texas hoodie. My boy. Why are you dissing us? Why are you dissing me and Suki, Swemil? That's not a good behavior. Another S1K. Yeah, baby. Kawasaki doing his thing on his H2. My 1000cc bros here. Retarded Tobbe. Gay man. Hans Grom är snabb. Den är snabb, Gromen. Han bara glider igenom alla. Ja. Gang is here. Tutti Racing, my baby boy. Pista on a sumo. Different kind of shit. Sweet Emil, come here, baby. Goofball. What the fuck is bro doing? What the fuck? Let me tickle your feet, homie. Blank, what you doing, homie? We all see the cops. Oh yeah, me baby. No way the cops are following us all the way to this different city. No way, man. Another cop. Bro, what's the spawn rate on these? We're in their spawn city. Sväng Emil, sväng. God damn. This is the legit sniper gang. My beautiful R7 2020 S1K, Emil's red 24 S1K H2 and a older R1. That's the beauties we got in a gang. And soon, guys, I'm also joining the SYK gang. I was supposed to do it this year, but there were some stuff happened in the life. Couldn't be possible for me to get that bike right now in this situation, so I'm getting it next year.